guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brano, or you can call me Bree, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing for something I've been waiting for quite some while. It came out in August, I believe, so as from the title, you know what it is. I got it at Dillard's in case you guys didn't know. In case you want to buy it too, and you can find it there. Probably at any perfume place that they'll probably have. Let me know if you guys like this location, and sorry if you hear clinking, it's my dog, so yeah. So I got the Prada Paradoxe perfume. I got this set. I don't know if it's because if it's Christmas time, that's why this set came out, or if it's always been out, but I decided to get this set because I believe the big version is $145, and then this was like $148, so I decided might as well, just a couple of dollars difference. So yeah, it comes with the moisturizing and then the big bottle, and then it has the spray, a small travel spray. So this is the box, and then from the behind it says Prada. And as you can see, this box is so beautiful. It's a Prada box. This box reminds me of the shoes. I'm not sure if all the Prada packaging comes like this, like the bags or anything. One day we'll find out. But look at this nice high quality box. I love it. Now let's open the box, and here is the set, and this is how it looks. This is the big version of the perfume, and then the little spray and the lotion. This little lotion is 1.6 fluid ounces, and honestly, it smells not as strong as I thought it would be, because sometimes lotions do smell strong, but I don't mind it because this is the first time I've ever gotten a set of the same lotion and fragrance, so I'm excited to see how it all smells together. Here's the little spray perfume with 0.33 fluid ounces, and then you can see like the little top right there. So cute. I've never gotten one this size. I'm so used to getting the little samples, but I hate how the little samples don't have a nice, like, strong lid, because sometimes the lid falls off and then the entire perfume goes in my bag and it goes to waste. But hopefully this does not do the same, but it doesn't fall off easily, so thankfully, hopefully it won't. And as for the nice item I've been eyeing for quite some while, it says Prada and it says Milano, and it has a little icon right there, and on top it says Prada. I think it's such an interesting bottle packaging because most packaging are square, except the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, I believe, or Bad Girl, I can't remember. That one is shaped as a shoe, so seeing a triangle shape is interesting. The only bad thing is, like, I can't have it like this. If it's standing up on my dresser, it would have to be at one angle, but I don't mind. But if you mind, then there's nothing else you can really do. And the smell is such a like fruity, flowery smell. It's quite light as well, and I feel like this is such a great scent. I'm very into strong older women scent, like old lady scent. Like, I love old lady scent, so this is kind of out of my ballpark, but I did like the scent either way. I was just so excited to see how a new fragrance came out, and then this is how the entire set looks again. Let me know what you guys think of this set, or of this perfume, or if you got this perfume, because I love it so far, and I wonder how long it's going to last on me. Hopefully it lasts quite some while. I'm the type of individual to like put 1,000 sprays on my body, like spray like all over, because I want you to smell me, and I know that can be bad, like, because you're wasting your perfume, but I mean, I'm wearing it, so in the end of the day, I'm not wasting it. I'm just wasting it on like such a good smell that I can smell on myself. Let me know what you guys think. I recommend buying this, and I think you should too. And you just try a sample at any perfume store that's around you. Think about this perfume if you've bought it. I'm excited to start wearing it out. I haven't worn it out yet. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.